Okay.
First of all, me point my tag manda. La tweet me yo. I'm not quarter of and for what taking man. We no tell what. We are kid my when we can right to her. And I'm very inside this struggle. Very bit no Odok over one. I tell the Kiambu University. Kama Piera. Me a bit get president there. Eventually, I don't want to finalizing our course Kikelabun. Marty Guru went right. Very very deep with the watching. I'll teach and Joe. I'm a doctor, Jane Kapan, Architect Joe.
San Joe.
When Berutin, Riem and RM. Karma, Kanati University, my way Berutin, NRM Gijotua, UNLA, Unuanati Kunane and Kita di Pilberway. I was almost caught in the crossfires. I know that I'm Kanati, a lower Kiambu. Our area and then I children Kunuakama, who pick up more real children. God forbid I did not succeed. So when I was running back, I came a crossfire. Chido no Muslim don't take a doye Kampala. Eventually,
Tio Kwanyo Okello Tito Gil. Gil Basiligi.
And they look no Kwanyo. One of them. She was better now. Pinque, don't know what part of I can find the Christ the King to say. Come and win money. I don't tell me Guru to me. If I consulting with some people, how are you doing? I know when you want. One Lwero, let us follow our sons. Which will look at it all, for we were on other means. Make a look. She, Jomokanuye, a poor bear, poor Lakwena. Would you coro? We look. Tea that time morning, Kilo come. Tata Dianga, you come up just for what is name. Ye loca. Then, I was quite at Kampala. I was student leader because I was elected the president. Although I came out, I had to follow up the student affairs. I don't know the late Kony, which is Kampala with a term in Key. Udon Adiera, Mendoki president. I took courage. I went to Nile Monsoon. I think they're still calling it Nile Monsoon up to now. When I went to Nile Monsoon, I managed to reach them. In my conversation, Kedgi, how are you doing? 1 minute apart, we take a time a different approach. Or you can want to cheer you come to Lwero. One could see look at it in 1 year, can't do very low. Lwero took it up. I think that's a better approach. You need dog paddle, and I don't know idea. And I don't know idea. When I shall be chilly, a bear no idea or a ganga, coming only for God. I'm not taking water.
A guru. When you by that time, no Gilwani for good.
No for good.
Niena do riva.
No go to Jacket on Carmano independent ticket for good in my country, that's all. Now, and no being one much out there, but I can remember. We're together with him. Okello drink, you want to marry. How you are wrong, you'll be the very issue. I know what we should do. I can teach you what you are doing. I told him. You know, okay. I sit down. We were meeting those people. We came to talk. In about there was a man called Shoji, who is I.O. of the NRA. That's what you want to know by Papa. Or we met him to kind of here among us. So we went there. Who knows that? That's how we go to the family. When I went. We need to do more than that. The never walk away, no problem. Oh, you never, sure, you have blood. the liberator of people.
You become the matters.
Let me consult. They are consulting. Why you can get near you help them? They are not our Kony. What did you have to when you go to brigade commander? You were still a brigade, right?
Not a 5th division.
I got a name Kutesa. Who was the commander. Not them. And no job. Give me why not to say. Not come on with team and I was to Kenya. What's your Kony? You know the Kony mission?
Yeah.
Yes. Mama Kunu, no big interference with me did in the first day. More no follow no people. No take on query. And Kony. She can use them now. One on a local. Two local commanders. What could you do? So I saw some people come in single file, looking to us in the house of the priest. And they were 9. Of these 9, Uganda was there. Oh, I got back. Local men and one alive in my bed. Baganda were behind. Whether for good in good faith or in bad faith, I don't know.
But they were there.
They were there.
Don't mean we're triangle.
No,
Bakonyi. LRA.
Yeah, they were there. Now, no go away. I know. I watch up no idea. In a deed, in a chairman and a secretary. Let's tell the people why we came. One no, you can work a beer, or can work a whiskey, or can work a jam. Give up a part of the pool, but to carry. Again, anyone who build in a way. You know, we discussed on reason. They think one put down one. Me. One. Instead, men meet in one, you see them separated from us completely. They were ready to go on the door, which are you know they are ready. You want to time you look for me, one or two toilet. We are not ready to die at home. But what to do? You were going to choke the beer and wing and look. That was very good. You know, and talk. When you put you. Umira guru go routine la almati or do you and so forth. When you carefully, when I come in, we share a chuk guru, or we look at you. When you look at you, civil, we are not.
Get a walk away.
Why don't you men? But anyway, we shall correct it.
That was terrible.
We shall correct it. But understanding a data. One which is going to tell look. One way to all look. But a look any amnesty, the law can come up into force. She want to be like these people are great. One of Odok Chenko, who came, who be in Oku, and no idea, Lakwena, Kachiel K, Jal Dactari, one can. Ki driver wa ko woni Peter ni bere wurju bu ñor won kwany na mo won ti won Odok chen Johnny u peno kamana ti wa be di fugot gangan poy ti gen ngeen go kan be bolo gi ko wi lo ko NRA go binu nek gi which was spy those were very tough people ba John Charles spy you know go na sim letter on him. You are a trusted man. One of your Burgan, who know the no pet. You do a doctor can't be real more. So weird. We really don't negotiate with people. No question. I take a record. I take a record there. Matera Yugune. The second week, Tibero Rubino. Many don't want to name Chando.
Tibero Keny. Ekangule manak. Tibero Keny mo biro baba Tibera Toma.
Tibera Tuma any Tuma.
Okay. Near there Keny.
Well, attend the moment he prominent man and Paka.
Okay.
Then no attend the moon. Can one no military.
Clear.
This man worked in Fort Portal to the PM
MP.
No, everybody was good. Now, the very end of many can accompany us. We came, he was made a leader. Leander Komakes now late from Makere University. Join us.
Is he the father of the Leander Komakes Makwane?
Yeah, the Leander Komakes and PMB. Kachel came Paul, where a bit of one Berutie, Anna Berutie, one of Bichel, he driver, what do you? One watch your really don't in there. One watch your correct mission of the never. Here, gentlemen, dog. Dog Gora. Who didn't know the terror knock. Who didn't dog now? Jali did not. He was working with Gilama Part 2. And Gilama Part 2 was so ruthless. And on Tie Labora Farm. Oro Jali Ni Ochora Makwa Ochora Labora so that the Pidi Komo in Nekwa. What you already do. So, we just go around here and come for 5 kilometers. Jali Giri and pay you. Pingo. Mechiru. Or come. Meeting was not very smooth. Now, meeting with Katova, two gentlemen who come from England, tea in the field, the Dwayne. Tea Jala Chenda, Umin Lara Tun. And go out to me. It is Charlie, can I look at a went carry. John decided, remember, wow. One of the prison of war. A meeting, one of the Bagwere, yeah, watch. I can see it in my mind very well. While you're marching, you join throughout the night. Walk, do Karna Magago, Namachua, Machirna, Palabek. Palabek winding up now. Palabek Kal.
No work at Yan.
Yeah, you know, talk again, no matter what. We talk about Part 2, whether in nature law for it. One will take it and indeed, I think we were in the death list. Uma bear. I will be more, or you will squad there. Me what you John Milne could join, we do not want. Jalino, Jali, you are moving there. You will call one. Sure, I can watch you job near my work. Yearly from joining, get tell when you are going to be cut. Where do you going by Judy? And man, it was 1 million one name. I know the pool of water for a tar against the rebel. One better than white. There are many things we happen. He made Kaduna and Parapet. Oh, Padibe. He Padibo built a very chair. We were Nangai, which in Nangai was a commander. Incidentally, I don't know my brother in law. Now, Jalo Ochora, what a pen and you kind of talk. How I wouldn't bury any wound. What is the difference? That one wounded talk. Talk for nothing, right? Don't bring a talk to liberate actually.
Talk for a reason.
One thing of liberating, one thing a nano be met it, do all your community, cow killing. Me will be a chocolate. She gave me a low berry, the other morning, we were taken at the border. Akachwalwa kamano ngalwoni ngomo romo. Igangala did no ngalwoni la Bagla. We stay there and eventually we cross into Barajo. Enter the Vero Quero. You see. Come on, Barajo, no, don't attack Kulu. He all the commanders. Dr. German Dr. Kulu, and that was the beginning of the first amnesty law. We agree with them, they agreed, we challenged this Museveni. Carabene di team Kunu Museveni take Lwenya to take in John.
No war and Kachuli
no completely 100%.
My name is Acholi Matilai Museveni. There no job of Museveni.
And to compute Museveni, Kacholi very Penyute. Any Kachako to no fairy information about Museveni. When she Museveni penny come join the tear, it is good. Now, I don't care for a job. Eventually. Museveni, I think, negotiated with Bashir. He been the Gam John him, but he is stranded. Bashir, I think more than a battalion. Lorries, Marona Power, Pongi soldiers. Kadongi Chakoti, Kenya, war for 1 full night, 1 full day, may authority.
Why South Sudan?
We are now in South Sudan.
No, by then Sudan.
No matter for and the Muslim negotiating can Bashir, who was still in control. Joan Menoti, Luan Garang, actually, Garang will come. Couldn't one I think God did not want me to die. I remember no, I'm to be more. We are more pouring a but not happy.
When you know about and the peer,
eventually come more to read no Bishop Friday. Bishop Friday, Koyamari, about 3 days, Convo Buno Charwa, Juba. Kijuba, Obina, now I understand is late, was an ambassador for Uganda, a Khartoum. He flew in, and then we had meetings. And of the period was thinking he don't want to do. But I registered. Let me answer to you. Who organizing many private and don't want to conjure. I'm not about Doga. And you ambassador, and you know, John. One more word the loom. And then damages to make my children. Now, come on, what you don't kind. Chijo walked up to 1 and Pangamushi Beriba. See, in terms of damage, why don't we report back? It might yield some good thing. Kageru then the United Nations came in, gave us a lift from Juba up to Kaya. Kaya is at the border of Sudan, Uganda. There we coincided with the arrival of Vice President Amin. But we didn't bother. Amabiakul came and took us direct up to White House Hotel in Arua. The following morning, a plane was chartered back for us, and in this plane there was no black but white people who took us.
White people usually went there.
We were
to State House.
The Lake Big Hotel. Do you know Lake Big Hotel? Lake Big Hotel in Chope State House. I don't watch how our report, and the politicians are politicians. And I go follow my idea no bear. And I had not yet completed my course. And I shared during it finalizing. I had to go back to the university and finalize my thing. So, President Museveni, I want to carry. One Wang Ocean delegation, Anamiru Konya, go to South Africa, go to Tanzania, go and talk to your brothers. And these brothers of mine were good to change and then what to do. Meanwhile, what was Chani or convincing Salim Saleh. Salim Saleh on his own, a helicopter, he flew into southern Sudan to meet the attack. And he stayed there for 2-3 days for your information. Some of these things are not revealed anywhere. But sometime in his writing he put it. You asked him, he will tell you he did. His brother was totally, completely when you are going. But we don't attack what you no more. Now don't hear me, Chope, who don't attack you kind of be no guru. And politicians all over the world. We influence don't attack me, don't go.
When you the politicians particularly scattered all over the world.
All over the world. And actually we were supposed to be assigned. I was to be taken to South Africa and whatnot. Now we don't attack Okello. There was a man called Okello, Commander Okello. I think you heard about him.
Yeah, I heard about him.
Angelo then said, no, I think these people of ours are not Lumima. 1 year of 0. And he will bring 2,000 soldiers. Who Guru, come with Bishop Kyangere was still alive. One annual Odok University, another 10. And peace agreement was signed. And we rescued at least 2,000, including Alaigi, he is now late. Ochora is now late.
Ochora was also rescued,
Yes, he was in the bush. They all came back together. And then we requested the government, make it amnesty to training, joining up. And they did so. That's what happened, that story. I have just summarized. And again, I take Lakwena, Ochora Kapuny, Simon Teachers College. Then, Abero Museo Robin Gilma become Iloke. Pino Kapmoka can Kwang at my Mero, Charlie military training. So I was a victim. I was taken away to San Kony. I left my family in Kampala. 3.5 months military training. And I came out as a sergeant major to qualify like that. So I'm also a military man. You know, I don't know in that school called San Kwanzi. But a bed instructor, acquired. When I came back, they followed me. That's how I left my profession as a teacher.
Doing in politics.
They're doing it. They're not that. They're not TICAD 11. And we had all the training. Now, no wonder take Kenya. Within 6 months, I was appointed Deputy President Commissioner. Transferred to Kenya. And I'm complaining. How you people told me I would work there and also continue lecturing. Now you are taking me away. You know, you don't mind this national service. It is the same. That's how I left classroom. And now I should have been saying again, I know transfer and I to roti. Managed to pacify with the and other people.
What was the crisis in Soroti?
It is the same war. Nothing you enter towards the end of the war. Alice Lakwena was a powerful woman, blessed by some spirits, and she was really very serious.
And spirit were not real.
Real though.
When you realize you will be Museveni,
and it is me who again pursued rallies to come back home. I'm ready to have it. I have it on Suroti. I'm not on the Gamati to Kony. The 12 will Anati attack. Suroti is not peaceful. They went to Museveni and said, this is our son. Please transfer into Buru. I went and asked, no, I know you don't mind. And you go, you will also be in charge of traffic. When I was there, the issue of negotiation started. which is a law. We convinced the president, said, Mr. President, this is important. Some of us must go to England. So we went to England. We talked, and I was open. I told my brother, I said, look, if all of us ran away from the jury, as we have done, what about all those children, who would guide them? Does it mean all of us shall have our home in England when the English people agree? I want you to come back home. You never will come to my office. If you are killed, I will also open myself to be killed. Jalo Moane, Jeru, I think you know him. Jeru Mobile. Mobile Pumi Biruman. This man, I was with him in Kiambu University, and they competed.
Zero is now in the side of Lwero, Santo Piera, I think.
We really now we enter into it. This is just confusion. Jeru, kind of one of him carried to England, and in La Ponjaramba. He went away to England. I met him there. And I called Jeru. I said, Jeru, you come. If you are killed, I will also be killed. Why did I buy a Kuyra? You know, returning up away? No. The people did not elect you. They elected the other man. You don't mind about that. So he decided to persuade two people. They flew to Uganda. They came to my office. I took my car as I have taken. I drove to coach. I'm going to tea. I went in Uganda.
Principal money, I cannot tell you what to do, but I can make you think and feel of the situation.
So they went back and persuaded others. They started coming back. And then go. That's how we did there. Now with this peace talk, one more time, and we continue with it by Nairobi. I was invited, I think, to Malawi. I paper more local. The team like a couple of kind. Compete mark 20 kere and so on. A bear guru, Karajora Mukana, Joamukan, job of Musibani come. We are not happy for the hard work we are doing. And this is in the person of Kakoja Mutale. I'm not afraid to talk about this. Kakoja Mutale was not happy.
Jealousy.
Merely when you gigi
and merely
where they feed
mere business.
Mere business. Being in my chair of being Ganga. Tell you know, I take a man. So being is a human. Come to you. These are truly people. They are very bad. It did not even think there was an actually. I think Museveni is very stupid. He made a very bad remark. In playing catch
and yet remark mano bring peace.
He will be apologizing. Actually people should forgive him. Teacher Berudi Tutuan, Omiolwanyo Medanyim, Adama Puruto. Janate opposing why did Museveni speak like that? Can you imagine?
Is he from Central Uganda or?
He's in Uganda. You people, you grow. Me, I know everything. Let me tell you. Now, you be looking at Ghana. How are you, Mutale? You know, when Lama is very bad, Lama is an Acholi. Are you illogically saying me, therefore, your premise is down that all Acholi are bad because Lama is bad? If that is so, am I also bad? Come on, I don't know. Piano wa long matele minaro wa galut kuna tega miano kwa wadi mutali get out of our house. This office we are going to talk in there. Which our time at the end ye ya mo Lakwena aje okwere ji ni tenga po we tenga po ni we
so ja to ji Bible
this was some of the
Bible is a tool in war.
Now, I'm very good, and Later on, Karen Mutal is how you Menaka. I had converted several of Kony youth. Kitira to you, Peter. Kadmatare, Anachare, Kashoka, Kamparo, the local you see, you people, you help me. Take my message to Kony. This artist is bad. You know how Kony Pillow kind. It is him.
Kirimo Jale no Mernim Severe Polo Aye.
Bamba, he has a minute mind thinking when you are going to allow it. You know, get on to no one operates into the morning. The things of me, the meaning we come up.
And I'm catching another
continue. So I'm the one they vacate the place. Now they are continuing. I was thinking, the middle. You know why I keep feeling okay. How do you cross fire to never down with the thing? You
no God book along you. I didn't really buy one in Buriva. Charwata.
I get your
look in here. You made a job, that is how Kidung Kaito. Padero.
And I came and contested it.
And Kiza was off those days.
Everybody calm. I don't want to persuade in Jamaica. I was buying it, but I don't like to talk about it.
Blowing your own trumpet to bear the trial.
One low, the down, team one and do to our. Here you are to picture. Let's go come and do prologue.
Yeah, yes.
I don't my traveling was even in my second visit. I was even here. I never want to win. And Kony, where you don't. You would do you don't appoint our people to be prime minister, to be what, to be vice president, and so on. Yet you appoint the so you appoint the Baganda, you appoint the so on. But by the way, I appointed Cecilia, but Cecilia refused. When you won't think I can appoint
Cecilia well.
Then I said, you appoint Professor Banalati. You really not disappoint me. I said, why? Our negotiation in Uganda became hard until in the last moment, the lawyer who quit, and I have to now.